What's up, y'all? It's Adrian Patika, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo! Today in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to revive y'all's wigs. Yes, in this video, I'm reviving this Deepwave wig. It is napped up, it's balding and all, but I'm going to show y'all before and after. I'm going to show y'all what products y'all need to use and how to use them so that y'all can bring y'all's wig back to life. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. So to start off, I got a spray bottle and I just sprayed the hair out with water to make it easier to comb out. Next, I just section the hair out. I use my paddle brush to comb the hair out. Make sure that you start at the end so that you're not pulling any hair out the frontal or causing any shedding. Okay, so now I move to the kitchen. I'm about to give the wig a nice good wash. I'm using the Hello Hydration shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm also using the silicone mix to bring the hair back to life, and then a toothbrush so I can clean the frontal off, the previous glue that was on it, and then a comb just to comb it out. As I'm shampooing the hair, I'm going to go in with my toothbrush so I can remove any of the built up glue off of the lace. So after I washed the shampoo out the hair, I grabbed my bucket, put it in the sink, and I filled it with cool water and conditioner. I took my comb and I just stirred the conditioner into the water. The reason I'm using this method to condition my frontal is because you don't want to put the conditioner directly on your frontal. It's going to cause your frontal to start losing hair and just makes it oily. So just use this method and it'll work for you, I promise. And then I dip the wig and the frontal piece into the mixture like I'm doing the watercolor method. Major key. So I'm about to start using the silicone mix to bring the hair all the way back to life. Do not skip this step. Take a little glob in your hand and evenly run it through the hair and then just comb it through. Make sure you get the ends as well. I was looking smacked recording this video in the background. But anyways, back to it. After you get it evenly distributed through the hair, you want to let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash it out. Look at how I'm running my hands through the hair. It's super soft. The silicone mix brought it back to life, and now I'm ready to customize it and fix the lace. So in this clip, I'm parting out the hair so that I can determine where to cut the lace because it's balding in the front. And you want to make sure you have enough parting space before you're cutting off any of the excess balding lace. What I mean by this is I have a 13x6 frontal on this wig, so I have 6 inches of parting space. If I wanted to cut off the balding part of the lace, I can, and I'll still be able to part it to where it looks natural. And in this clip, I'm being super precise, parting the frontal from one side to the other because I'm eventually going to cut that whole front piece of the lace off, and I want to make sure that it's even. I don't want the lace to be crooked after I cut that excess balding lace off. And then I'm going to pluck behind the lace that I'm going to cut off. And the reason that I'm doing this is because you want to create a natural hairline. And I really didn't go crazy on the plucking because the wig is already balding. I just wanted to give it more of a natural look. So as I'm cutting the lace, I just wanted to call out that I was cutting in a zigzag motion because nobody's hairline goes straight across. So you definitely don't want to just cut straight across. You kind of want to do a zigzag motion and take your time with this step. Not the bang. let me stop. In this clip, I'm just cutting some baby hairs so I can start to mold the baby hairs down. Doing baby hairs is so satisfying to me, so I thought, why not add this clip into the video? And if you would like a baby hair tutorial, make sure that you comment down below and let me know, and I got y'all. Baby hairs is on fleek. And then here's the finished product. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.